Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the Lenovo Legion R24e gaming monitor, and before you make a choice on your next gaming display, you need to watch this comprehensive review. We've done extensive research on this monitor and I'll have the link to the best price in the description below. In this video, we're evaluating the R24e based on price, gaming performance, and real-world usage scenarios to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive right in and get started. The Lenovo Legion R24e absolutely dominates with its blazing fast 180Hz refresh rate paired with an incredible 0.5 ms response time, making it one of the fastest gaming monitors in its price range. This 23.8-inch IPS display delivers full HD resolution at 1920 x 1080, targeting competitive gamers who prioritize speed over pixel density. The monitor features 99% sRGB color gamut coverage with true 8-bit color depth, supporting over 16 million colors for exceptional visual accuracy. What makes this monitor truly remarkable is its near-edgeless design that maximizes screen real estate while maintaining a sleek aesthetic. The IPS panel technology ensures consistent colors across its impressive 178-degree viewing angle, meaning you'll experience the same vibrant visuals whether you're sitting directly in front or viewing from the side. Additionally, the iComfort 2.0 certification incorporates advanced blue light filtering technology that significantly reduces eye strain during extended gaming sessions without compromising color accuracy. The ergonomic features are outstanding for a monitor at this price point. The adjustable tilt stand allows you to customize your viewing angle for optimal comfort, which is crucial during those marathon gaming sessions. Moreover, AMD FreeSync technology eliminates screen tearing and stuttering, creating a butter-smooth gaming experience that competitive players will absolutely appreciate. One of the most impressive aspects is the included Lenovo Artery software, which transforms how you interact with your display settings. This proprietary software provides quick access to performance optimization tools, allowing you to adjust frame rate caps, enable crosshair overlays for improved aim, and set custom timers directly through intuitive shortcut keys. Furthermore, you can save multiple profiles for different game genres, switching between them seamlessly without navigating complex menu systems. The monitor excels in fast-paced competitive titles like Counter-Strike 2, Valorant, and Apex Legends, where every millisecond counts. The 180Hz refresh rate combined with the lightning-fast response time virtually eliminates motion blur and ghosting, giving you a significant competitive advantage. Professional esports players and aspiring competitive gamers will find this monitor delivers the performance edge they need to dominate their opponents. Color reproduction is exceptional for a gaming-focused display, with the 99% sRGB coverage ensuring vibrant and accurate colors whether you're gaming or doing creative work. The monitor handles dark scenes particularly well, maintaining detail and shadows without crushing blacks, which is crucial for atmospheric games and content creation. However, one notable downside some users may find limiting is the full HD resolution on a 23.8-inch panel. While the pixel density is adequate for most users, those accustomed to 1440p or 4K displays might notice the difference, especially when working with text or detailed content. Additionally, the lack of HDR support means you won't get those peak brightness highlights found in premium displays. The build quality feels remarkably solid with minimal flex in the stand and bezels. Cable management is thoughtfully implemented through the stand, keeping your setup clean and organized. Connectivity options include DisplayPort 1.4 and HDMI 2.0, ensuring compatibility with both current and previous generation graphics cards. You got it. So that's it for the best budget competitive gaming monitor on the market for this year. Like this video if it helped, comment below if you're gonna buy it or share your impressions, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews.